Hey guys, today I'll show you how to add a checkout page to your Wix website. Let's get started. To begin, go to the Wix dashboard and scroll down to the Apps section, then click on Manage Apps. Make sure you have Wix stores installed on your site. Once that's confirmed, go to the left panel and select Settings. Scroll down until you find Business Solutions and click on Checkout. Here, you can customize your checkout page. To add a checkout form, click Edit. Wix has preset options for the form, but you can easily add or modify fields. For example, if you want to add a company name, simply drag and drop it into the form. You can also add other fields like a date picker by selecting it from the options. Once you're satisfied with your changes, hit Save, and then click Preview to see what it will look like for your visitors. You can also customize the checkout header by adding a logo and typing in your business name. Additionally, you can include policies such as terms and conditions, privacy policy, or return policies, depending on your needs. If you wish, you can also set up the option to generate invoices every time an order is completed. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribing.